everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make a game. So first you need a sprite. So you get my sprite kind of player, because you're going to need a player for this, okay? And then you can set the image to whatever you want. I'm going to set it to like one of those, I'm going to set it to pizza. You can set it to anything you want. I'm setting it to pizza though. So now once you've done that, you're going to have to do this. You have to go move my sprite with buttons, because my sprite is the pizza. Okay, good. And once you've done that, you tap set background image too, and then you can change it to anything you want. For now, I'm going to make mine like a beautiful desert. Yeah, I'm going to make mine a desert. And once you've done that, on the left, it should look something like this. And then you go to My Sprite 2, and then you're going to go to the gallery. And then you can choose anything. This is going to be the enemy, though. So, okay, good. Okay, good. Now, you're going to go to Sprites, and you're going to go Velocity. I'm making it 50 because that's as fast as I want it to go. But that's as fast as I want it to go. So now you're going to go back to Sprites. You're going to scroll down to Stay in Screen. And you're going to set that to My Sprite 2. And then you're going to put it on. Now you're going to scroll to Bounce on Wall. And then you're going to put that on. And you're going to make it My Sprite 2. Now, you're going to go over to, Info, and then you're going to go to Start Countdown. I'm making my countdown 15 seconds because I want it to be a bit of like a challenge. So then, you go over to, Sprites, and then you go to On My Sprite Kind Player, other laps with other sprite, and then you make My Sprite 2 to enemy, and then you move that over there, and then I am going to do enemy there because player interact with enemy, game over, lose, because you want it so like when the enemy touches you, you lose. Now you go to Info, you scroll down until you see On Countdown End, and then you bring the and then you bring game over win. Now, from now on, now it should look something like that. And then you go over to Sprites, and then you go to the position, and then you do My Sprite 2. And then you can set it to anywhere you want. I'm going to set it to like the corner of the room, and then up. And then once you're done with that, you can go into full screen mode and then enjoy your game. And let's play some of it. Okay, good. I have to... oh, right. There's one more thing after you do that. You have... If you want your character to stay in the screen, you have to go to Stay in Screen, My Sprite. Oh, you can't put it before you created your sprite now, so you have to put it like after that. So I am putting it over there. Now I'm doing that. Okay, good. And then you put it at the very bottom. Now your game is all good to go, and it's set. And you can now enjoy your game. Let's see. Am I going to win? Am I going to win? Yes. Yes. I'm winning. Let's go! Okay, now you can enjoy your game, and goodbye. See you in the next tutorial.